Hi guys, my name is Johan and I'm back with a new video in which I want to share with you how to configure your MetaMask for using it on Binance Smart Chain and on Ethereum and on Matic network, guys. Matic being layer 2 from Ethereum network. And I will show with you a DEX that is on top of layer 2, and that DEX is QuickSwap. And together we will see how easy it is to configure your MetaMask. But first, let's take a short look of the markets in this weekend. We are seeing red all over the place. As you know, in weekends are less liquidity, and now whales can dump the price, and we are seeing Bitcoin at 56,168, guys, a minus 5% to the downside. Ethereum is following Bitcoin at around 1,769, minus 4.4% to the downside. Binance Coin minus 3.7%. Cardano has fallen after the big pump from Coinbase listing. Now is the fifth cryptocurrency, minus 6.7%. Polkadot down to minus 7%. Let's see the winners of this weekend. Is Live Pair 56.8% to the upside, Harmony 23.9% to the upside, Vitor token 20% to the upside, and BitMEX 12% to the upside. We are seeing still a lot of green in the markets. Let's see the losers. Sia Coin minus 20% to the downside, DEX minus 16% to the downside, BitTorrent 16.5%, and Crypto.com minus 12%. So the current market cap is down this weekend 4.9%. So a lot of coins are going down right now. We will see next week how the market will perform. But now let's jump straight to the subject of the day and share with you how easy it is to set up your MetaMask for using it on Binance Smart Chain and on layer 2 solution for Ethereum network Matic. So this is the Brave browser version of MetaMask, but it will be the same thing on all browsers. So right now I'm on main Ethereum network. So to add, as you can see, I have already added Matic mainnet and Binance Smart Chain. But to add the Binance Smart Chain, you need to hit this button right here, Custom RPC. After you hit it, you will see these columns here where you can just input here exactly this name. At network's name you will put Binance Smart Chain, just copy it and put it here just like this. The network RPC URL, as you can see, I have already added it. It's this one. You just add this URL, bam, copy this URL here, then chain ID 56, then the symbol is BNB, of course, and then the block explorer BSC scan.com. As you can see, I've already done this. So on chain ID we hit 56, yeah, and then you hit add network, guys. but as you can see, I've already have this network on my list. Then on the Matic is the same thing, as you can see here. Network name Matic mainnet. You copy this URL from here, as you can see. Then at the symbol you put Matic. On chain ID you put 137. You put this URL from here, and of course network name Matic mainnet, and then you click add network. It is that simple. And when you want to use it, for example, let's go to PancakeSwap. Right now, being on the Ethereum network, it will not work. See, unsupported chain ID. So now we need to change it to Binance Smart Chain. As you can see, I do not have BNB right now. The difference from Ethereum mainnet is that we are using as main currency BNB, and of course all the transactions fees are infinitely more cheaper than on the Ethereum, and we are using BNB. So right now, look, my wallet is connected to PancakeSwap, and I can use it. I can do swaps, I can provide liquidity, and so on. I can go to farms and stake my coins to provide liquidity or to do yield farming. As you can see, I just connected my wallet right now, and I can use it here. It is that simple, guys, to use MetaMask and PancakeSwap, similar to Uniswap, but on Binance Smart Chain. Now I will focus more on the Ethereum layer 2 solution, and that is Matic. As you can see, Matic network. To do that, I will change it to Matic mainnet. As you can see, I already have some Matic here. On this mainnet, we are using as main cryptocurrency to pay the fees Matic. And now I will connect to the Matic wallet. As you can see right now, I do have some super farm here. I've been transacting on Matic, guys, and for that I'm using QuickSwap. This is QuickSwap. As you can see, it is a DEX exactly like Uniswap, but on layer 2 solution that is on Matic. So let's see exactly what QuickSwap is. So QuickSwap is a permissionless decentralized exchange based on Ethereum, powered by Matic Network Layer 2 scalability infrastructure. By using Layer 2 for transaction, QuickSwap user will be able to trade any ERC20 assets at lightning speed with zero fees, nearly zero fees. So guys, I can swap here exactly like we are doing on Uniswap. Let's say I want to exchange super now, and I will exchange super for Matic. Let's hit swap, Let's confirm swap, and I will show you how low the fees are. Look at this, guys. 0.000251 Matic. Guys, this is in Matic. This is infinitely less than on the Ethereum network. Let's copy this and see how much is it right now at the current recording, guys. Look at this. It's extremely cheap, guys. Not even a cent. Look at this. Look, you can see it, and yes, it is working. I will not I did use it. It is extremely cheap, so you can use QuickSwap to swap your tokens on Ethereum layer 2 solution Matic. It is extremely similar to Uniswap, as you can see, but it has the tokens that are on the Matic network. So now, for us users that want to trade on QuickSwap, we need to transfer our funds from the Ethereum network to Matic network. And how do we do that? For example, to transfer Ethereum, we need to use the Matic wallet. I will leave it in the description, guys. It is extremely simple, and it is pretty fast. So let's see, we want to move my Ethereum right now, $180 to Matic network, to wrap Ethereum on the Matic network. So I will transfer using POS Bridge. This is the fastest way. I will hit here and then continue, and as you can see, we have to pay a fee right now of $17. So now I have to put my MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network for this to happen. I will choose Ethereum. I will hit max, and they will send me the Ethereum and transform it to wrapped Ethereum for the Matic network. I will hit transfer, I will hit continue. As you can see, this is the fee. As you can see, we are paying something like $13 for this transaction. For me to move $180 or 0.1 ETH to the Matic network. So, but at the current recording, let's see what's we are in weekends. We do not have so much so high gas fees. As you can see, is hovering between 104 GUI and 98 GUI. These days I can say this is extremely cheap. In the middle of the week we are seeing between 200 and 300 GUI. So in weekends you can surely transfer your funds on the Matic network using Matic Bridge. It is exactly like the Binance Bridge. So this is the fastest way to transfer your funds from the Ethereum mainnet network onto Matic network. I will do so. After you pay, then the transfer will perform. Same thing to do if we want to switch. for example, from Matic network to transfer back to Ethereum network. And I was attracted by QuickSwap because it's very cheap, similar to Binance Smart Chain, and I can use my super farm tokens to provide liquidity on QuickSwap. This is Quick, the governance token of QuickSwap, and here you can see on QuickSwap the pools, liquidity pools, where we can add our tokens and provide liquidity similar to Uniswap and earn quick tokens. So this is QuickSwap, guys, a better solution without high gas fee for Ethereum network users. This is a very good project, and let's see the quick price. It dropped a lot, $166.72. It dropped almost 70% to the downside from 18 days ago that it was $572. So big dump on this token, unfortunately, because this is how people are doing with this governance token. They are farming them and then they are dumping them to take profits. We will see how this will perform in the future, guys. So but I guess many people will come to QuickSwap and on other layer 2 solutions for cheaper prices, because on the Ethereum network we are having very high fees. So for me, this is a good solution to provide liquidity with tokens that I do not find on Binance Smart Chain yet. As you can see, we have Quick and Sell, we have Celsius and ETH here, and we can earn Quick tokens. Very interesting farming solution. As you can see, we have Super and Quick, we have Super and ETH, and I've already put my liquidity on this liquidity pool, like I said, using my Super tokens and ETH to swaps with tokens that are on the Matic network right now. It is very simple to do it. Okay, so back to what I've said, to transfer back from Matic network to the Ethereum network, we use the same bridge. So this was my video, guys. This is QuickSwap DEX, similar to Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, and so on, but on the Matic network. So this was my video for today. I hope you like the content that I provide, and if so, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in another video. Bye.